This is Daniel Massey. This is Harry Ferguson. Both driving, independent men, they refused to be satisfied with what they saw about them. Both took giant steps forward. Massey in the design and production of harvesting machinery. Ferguson in the technology and design of tractors and their related implements. They never met, but what they created when put together laid the foundation of one of the biggest and most successful manufacturing businesses in the world. Today, this is us, Massey Ferguson, the largest manufacturer of tractors in the Western world, one of the largest producers of combine harvesters. Perkins Engines, also part of the family, is a leading manufacturer of high-performance diesel engines. Massey Ferguson is also one of the world's largest producers of industrial and construction machinery. We sell in 191 territories. Hundreds of thousands of the world's farmers depending on us for some part of their equipment, and therefore the food they produce. Literally hundreds of millions of people eat because of the machinery we make. 87 factories build MF farm and construction machinery and Perkins engines in 30 countries. The main ones are in Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, South Africa, USA. And of course, the greatest investment is in France and the United Kingdom. Yet, even though we are one of the largest manufacturers in the world, we remain close to the grassroots wherever we operate. Farmers in the vast wheat fields of Canada need huge combines. We build them. Sugarcane growers desperately needed machines for planting and harvesting. We provided them. Whatever the local problem, it takes a company of Massey Ferguson's size and experience to produce the best solution, adapting established products where possible, using its enormous expertise when something unique must be designed. And MF is constantly pushing forward the frontiers of technology. Computer-aided design systems are employed in research. We call it advanced product engineering. But however clever you are, it's no good unless production lives up to it. We test everything in rigorous and varied field conditions. And because we employ stringent quality control, what comes off the line is as good as the prototype. Finally, an elaborate servicing organization ensures that machines keep on working once they're in the operator's hands. But it is no good making a machine, however perfect, and leaving it to heaven to teach the operator how to use and maintain it. You all know about Stoneleigh and Gif, but not everything can be done there. People must be trained in local conditions. That's why we have training centers around the world teaching the teachers, often cooperating with local governments. Since its formation nearly a quarter of a century ago, MF's turnover has increased nearly 750%. Last year we did $2.5 billion worth of business, equivalent to the gross national product of a country like Ghana. And although 14% is derived from the sale of industrial and construction machinery, with Perkins engines contributing a further 12%, farm machinery still accounts for nearly 3/4 of our total turnover. Whilst our headquarters is in Canada, our biggest single investment in manufacturing is nonetheless in Europe, France and UK representing the biggest investment there. These tractors, machines and engines are our bread and butter, and with luck, some jam too. In fact, the jam is vital to our joint future. Commercial partnerships only ever succeed when both sides profit. So we're dedicated to production and marketing policies which are both positive and progressive. We know also that success in the future must start with decisions made today. You can be sure that first and foremost, we've decided to stay right where we are, on top, as one of the world's largest manufacturers of farm and construction machinery and their engines. Secondly, we're going to do so by making the right products for the right markets at the right time. It goes without saying that those products will be born of Massey Ferguson's world-famous Advanced Product Engineering Center, thus ensuring our continuing position at the forefront of the farm and construction machinery business.